Hello everyone, today's a super exciting day because we're gonna talk about Valentine's Day. I'm gonna give you the best gift ideas that are fail-proof, love-full, and so if you have a hunnaaay, a sweetie, and you want to get them something special that brings you love this Valentine's Day, stay tuned. We're going to talk about the best gifts of 2019 for him or her. These aren't going to be basic gifts like chocolate and flowers. We're going to talk about the real deal gifts that are going to bring you so much love and happiness. I'm also going to tell you about gifts that we should probably stay away from this Valentine's Day if you don't want to be disappointed, crying in your room. So let's get started. First gift you should get someone if you're like in love with them and you want them to be happy is perfume or cologne. This is a win-win situation. There's nothing better than cuddling up next to someone who smells amazing, delicious, who you love. You get to smell them forever. They'll love knowing that you picked out something for them and that you love the smell of it. It's a win-win situation and you will get to smell them for the next year or so. Next gift, jewelry. You can never ever go wrong with jewelry, okay? It is so important to stick to really simple things such as like dainty jewelry like this or like this. Just don't go over the top. You want to get them things that they can wear on a daily basis and that they really enjoy and that they can pair with other things. So there's no need to get someone a clunky big heart necklace. Stay away from that. Just get them something super thin and simple, something dainty that they can wear every single day and be reminded of how much you love them. Also, watches are always really good if you want to go for a really nice gift. This next gift idea is literally my favorite gift to receive and to give ever. That is an experience. Ziplining, a cooking class, a painting class, whatever it may be, you get to do it with them. And that is such a fun gift to give someone. It's also like a cool day idea. So you don't just have to sit at home watching Netflix and chilling, you know, like all day, every day. You can also get them lessons to something they've been wanting to learn for a while. So a music class or a singing class. Or you can plan a special trip, a weekend getaway. You can leave the country, stay in the country. You can just book a little cabin or something just really close to home, Airbnb. This is the most win-win situation in the world because you get to do something fun and obviously you put thought into it and you spend time planning it. So an experience is the best gift you can give someone who loves to do things and who loves to get out and try new fun things or who just likes to travel. Next, this is the gift that keeps on giving, subscription boxes. This is such a cool gift because they'll continue to receive gifts throughout the year and you don't even have to pick out the gifts for them if you don't really know what they like. This video is not sponsored, but I'm gonna give you some ideas for him and for her. Okay, so a few for women are CosBox, FabFitFun, Top Sugar, and Rocksbox. So some of them come with jewelry, scarves, home decor, like perfume, makeup, just so many different things, and they get to have little bits of everything. It is just such an easy, fun gift that they will continue to receive throughout the year. Also for men, they have the Dollar Shave Club, Loot Crate, Gentleman's Box, just so many different ideas. If you Google all these different subscription boxes, you'll be able to find the one that's right for your person. The last gift idea is just a simple, quick, easy one, and that is alcohol. If you are in college and you're over 21 and your hunnaaay loves alcohol, that is such an easy, good gift idea because they don't have to buy it for themselves. You can find one that they like and you get to share it with them. So whether they like wine, whiskey, vodka, 99 bananas, whatever it is, you can find it for them. And this is a really good gift if you haven't been dating for very long, but you do want to get them something that they like. Now we're going to talk about the things that we should stay away from if we want to be happy and loved. Clothes. You cannot buy clothes for someone and expect them to like it because it is so hard to shop for others. Clothes just fit a different way than they look on the hangers. They might also have a specific style or a color palette that they're trying to stick to with their clothing. So clothes are just a bad idea unless you know them really well or you're married to them. It's best to stay away from clothes in general. Plus, they can buy it for themselves or like their mom can buy it for them. Next thing is home decor. Like they don't need a pillow. If they do, they can go to Target. There's just no point in getting someone that's not a romantic gift at all. last but not least, there's no point in getting someone like a $300 speaker. So stay away from expensive technology or electronics. There's no need to buy people super expensive, crazy things. Like, it's only Valentine's Day, it's not their birthday or Christmas. Keep it simple, meaningful, thoughtful, and loving, and you will be so, so happy this Valentine's Day. So that is all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, be my friend, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.